To begin, open the TikTok app on your phone. Log into your TikTok account, if you haven't already. Now go to your profile from the bottom right corner. Then tap the three lines from the top right corner. A menu will slide in from the right side. Tap on Settings and Privacy. Swipe up to scroll down and find the section called Content and Display. Then go to Contacts and Location. Swipe up again to scroll down. At the bottom, you will find the Location Services section. If it's set to While Using, that means TikTok can access your location only while you're using the app. Now select Never. A pop-up menu will appear. Tap on Open Settings. Then go to Permissions. Now select Location. Here, you will see Location Access for this app. Tap on Don't Allow. That's it. TikTok will no longer have access to your device's location. This helps protect your privacy by preventing TikTok from tracking or using your location data. So that's how you can turn off location on TikTok.